What ancient methods estimated circle area? Have you ever wondered how ancient civilizations figured out the area of a circle without modern tools? Let's take a look at some fascinating methods they used. One of the earliest known methods comes from ancient Egypt, around 1650 years before Christ. A scribe named Amos recorded a practical formula. This method involved taking the diameter of the circle, cutting off 1/9 of it, and then squaring the remaining length. Essentially, the area was estimated by squaring 8/9 of the diameter. This approach gave a value close to 3.164 pi, which is quite close to the modern value of approximately 3.1 for 1/6. This method was particularly useful for tasks like measuring fields or grain storage. Moving to ancient Babylon, they had their own unique approach. The Babylonians relied on the circumference to estimate the area of a circle. They used their own approximations for pi and applied geometric reasoning. Their focus was more on the perimeter than on the diameter, which set their method apart from the Egyptians. Now, let's talk about Archimedes of Syracuse, who lived around the 3rd century before Christ. Archimedes developed a more rigorous method that involved inscribing and circumscribing polygons around a circle. By calculating the areas of these polygons with many sides, he could get a more precise approximation of the circle's area. He showed that the area of a circle equals the area of a right triangle, where the base is the circumference and the height is the radius. This method, known as the method of exhaustion, was an early form of integral calculus, taking limits of polygonal areas to approach the true area of the circle. These ancient methods highlight the early attempts to understand and quantify the area of a circle. The Egyptian and Babylonian approaches provided practical approximations, while Archimedes laid the groundwork for more exact mathematical reasoning. Understanding these historical methods helps connect basic geometry concepts like the relationship between diameter, circumference, and area. It also introduces important ideas like approximation and the use of polygons to analyze curved shapes. So, the next time you think about the area of a circle, remember the clever minds of the past who paved the way for our understanding today.